Kune-lift 175% plus 30 rand entrance, umntwana 140, 120 plus 20 rand. Ithatha la inisale phansi, then when you down there you walk around into the forest.
Oh, is it beautiful down there? Oh, okay, let's go. Once in a lifetime experience, no? So we shall see. So how much in total?
550 rand.
Oh my God. I hope I'm a tourist and you don't charge them the same money.
Same.
The same? No. That is not fair.
$550.
Let me just... I think so, yeah. Let me check. No, yeah. It's fine, let me look and see.
Thank you. Pinkies. And this is for the lift. Then whenever you're ready to go into the lift, you use that door out, you turn left, then you go down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir. So guys, we are in Graskop. It's a place that is in Mpumalanga. It's a very nice place. There's a waterfall and a number of activities that you can do here. So the entry fee is 30 Rand for adults and it's for 20 Rand for kids. Now once you get in, you've got an option now of just going under the waterfall, where you're able to see under the waterfall. And the lift there, if you want to take a lift, they charge 175 Rand for a lift going under. It's like going underground basically, but you're able to see the waterfall underneath. So it is very beautiful. So if you got a bit of change, you can just take the underground. I decided to take it. I thought it was very nice. Be able to explore better just underneath and seeing things on top. So it's beautiful. It's worth for you to visit and come and witness it yourself. I found it to be very, very beautiful. So yeah, but again, if you don't have that kind of money, which is not much, if you plan and budget, it's like what, close to $12 or $13, but it's 175 Rand in rands. You can just take a tour, just come down here and explore. It's like in a mini jungle once you go down the lift. It's a beautiful place. So far I've enjoyed it. Hopefully I can participate in more activities, but stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe or like the video and comment below. Hopefully I'll have more videos to come as I start the journey of vlogging. Yeah, to do the Kwabe here. Peace out.